here, and if you're not, then welcome back. If you know, you know, and if you don't, then here you go. I recently transitioned to a travel nail tech, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me on my journey. So this is basically just episode 3 of that travel nail tech series. I'm basically going to just be showing you guys how I set up. This is not a routine client setup. The setup is still the same, except for the fact that the other side, or where my client would sit, would be a chair. This client, I did let her lay down and get her nails done because she's in a wheelchair, and the time that it takes to get your nails done is just a long time for her to be on her bottom. So I try to accommodate my clients as much as I can so that they're comfortable. So we decided to set up against her bed so that she will be comfortable and I would be able to take my time and perfect my craft. This video doesn't really need much explanation, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me set up while I kind of give y'all some pros and cons of my experience so far as a travel nail tech and my YouTube experience as a nail artist. Okay, so let me give y'all my first ick, like my number one ick, which I feel like y'all probably already know. But as a travel nail tech, okay, the monomer smell in the client's house is ridiculous. It doesn't matter if you get the monomer drops or you get a container that holds the monomer smell in there. It's gonna stick, you know. So because of that, I've been heavily researching gel application, and I'm hoping to bring you guys a lot more of that. I recently did a video on my first, not necessarily first, because I did do a poly gel application in school, but I just recently did what I would consider to be my first real take on a poly gel set. So I'll be uploading that soon. Obviously, you guys get to go through that with me. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss those videos when I post them. Moving on. This YouTube thing is so time consuming, y'all. The filming, the editing, the having to live your everyday life at the same time. It's like a full-time job. I commend YouTubers, and this is really why it took me so long to actually stay consistent, because I've tried this in the past, like years, you know, like I've tried it and I've given up because it just takes so much time. So to the people that stick to it, I really commend them. I literally be doing voiceovers in the car, wherever I can do them, because it'll take a whole day to edit, and then you still have to do the voiceover, and then you still have to put all of the stuff in the description and make sure you don't forget anything. It's just a lot. You got to get in where you fit in with this YouTube thing, because you still have to have an everyday life. You know, I have kids, and then there's always obstacles, like there's no storage, or you know, lost footage, or it's just something crashing. It's just always something, y'all, like, and it just makes you want to give up. It just makes you want to give up. Like, I don't know, but I am not complaining. It's actually the opposite, you guys. Like, I'm so appreciative of all of the love that I'm receiving. I love that my videos are helping people. Oh my gosh, like nail brands are reaching out to work with me. Like, oh my, so stay tuned for that, y'all. It's just, I'm just trying to balance it all. Like, I really want to do this. I love the love that I'm getting, the sense of validation that I have, you know. Like, we're our biggest critics, so we spend so much time criticizing ourselves rather than congratulating ourselves. At least I know I do. So just this whole experience has given me a sense of validation that I think that I needed. And I just really thank you guys. Like, I thank y'all for watching my videos. I thank y'all for liking my videos, commenting on my videos. Like, I just really appreciate it. So yeah, like, I don't want to get too emotional. So I'm just gonna move on. So because I knocked the camera out of frame, I want to go through again with you guys. This is where I put my barbicide, my alcohol, my acetone, my alcohol pads, and my tools that I'm using. You see I put them back in my barbicide once I'm done using them. My paper towels, if I need them, they're already ripped off right here. And my cup up there for my brush cleaner. My file is there. It doesn't normally go there. It goes over there where my tools go. I don't know why I had it up there. But my drill always stays right there unless I'm using it, because I'm prone to dropping things. And I just kind of leave that drawer open because I like to go back and forth. I use the alcohol, and I don't like to keep ripping it open because I got it from Goodwill and the wheels are kind of shaky. So I just kind of leave this open, all of this open like this, in case I need to grab something. I leave the fan in there, not the fan, the dust collector, because a lot of times my clients don't even like to use it because it's kind of loud. I need to kind of invest in a new one. She didn't want to use it because she was watching TV, so it was fine with me. I just kind of use the brush and dust everything off. I like to have everything to the right of me because I'm right-handed. My acrylics, my decals, everything. The air purifier is right there on the floor. The surge protector is on the floor for me to plug up everything. And I also have a plug for my clients just in case they don't have a plug. So this is basically my setup. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos that I post. For the time being, I will continue to upload these travel videos. I also told you guys I want to get into more polygel designs, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Oh, and don't miss the collaborations with the big nail companies that I mentioned, guys. It's coming up. Thank you for watching. See y'all next time.